You're watching how to find your watch later playlist on YouTube. Open the YouTube app on your phone or go to the YouTube website on a computer and ensure you are logged into your account. On the mobile app, tap the Library tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen next to the Subscriptions tab. This will open your library section. At the top of the library, you will see several categories like history, your videos, and playlists. Tap on playlists. This will show you a list of all your saved playlists, both created by you and auto-generated by YouTube. Scroll through this list until you find the playlist named Watch Later. It is an official default YouTube playlist that is automatically created for every account. Tap on Watch Later to open it and view all the videos you have saved there. On the YouTube website, look at the left-hand sidebar menu. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Playlists. Click the small arrow or Show More to expand this section if needed. Your Watch Later playlist will be listed here. You can also quickly access it by clicking your profile picture in the top right, then selecting your data in YouTube, but the library or sidebar methods are most direct. To add a video to watch later, tap the Save button clock icon below any video and select Watch Later. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.